here I have the Caa Micro Conversion Kit. If you don't know about this, this is a micro conversion kit that could fit a GLOCK 17, a couple other Glocks. Well, I have a Gen 4, a couple other Glocks that I can't say for sure because I don't remember them, but I have a GLOCK 17 Gen 4 that I'm going to put in here. I'm going to show you how to put the GLOCK 17 in and how to just basically put it in, okay? All right, let's go. So I'm going to open the box and show you what comes in it. The micro conversion kit, I'm going to take it out of plastic, and there's also a secondary charging handle or charging piece what you use to charge the weapon. One is already on it, but this is a second one. This bag, it has the micro conversion kit and 2 Allen keys. That's the only contents of the box. Now this beauty here is really nice on first sight looking at it, because it comes with the Picatinny rails on top, Picatinny rails on top, Picatinny rail on the side here, Picatinny rail on the side here. You can mount, you can put whatever you want on it. They sell the ones that's, it comes with the front and rear sight and an optic and a flashlight in the front. This is just a dummy flashlight. This could be yanked out. This is a pretty cool little contraption. To open it, you barely pull it up, and you pull it in, and it snaps in like that. And to close it, there is a little button here. You mash that button, and you close it, and you put it right back in place right there. Now, for this one, it's not ready to put a GLOCK 17 Gen 4. You would have to do a bit of an adjustment, but I'm going to show you how to do that. There's a screw here, and there's a screw on this side. You have to take those out. So to take it out, use the bigger Allen key. The Allen key comes fit right in those screws, so you don't have to go get a Allen key out your toolbox, okay? So take that out, and now when you take those 2 screws out, here, the muzzle, you pull it out to where it says 17 right there. See? Pull it out to where it says 17 right there. That's when it's ready for the GLOCK 17 Gen 4. Because if it was out like this, then it wouldn't fit in the box. That's the whole purpose of them sending it not ready for the GLOCK 17. Because if you pull it out and put it in the box, you can't even do it. But you get the picture. It just wouldn't fit in the box with this protruding out like that. So when you pull it out, there are 2 sets of screw holes here. It went on this one when it came. So we're going to put it in the one farther to the front to make it ready for a GLOCK 17. Okay, now it's ready for a GLOCK 17. So I'm going to pull this up, lock it in place. Now to put it in, there's a little button here. You press this button to pull this back, and you pick it up. Then my GLOCK 17, show you again. Then take the Glock, put it in, push up, you push forward, and it locks in place. This piece, put it down, lock it in place, push it forward, and it's ready. The charging handle, it's right there. That's how you charge it. It has this part where you could put an extra clip in it, like so. And you could also use that as a hand guard. And to take that out, there's 2 release buttons at the side. You just press it and pull it out. You could even put an extended clip in it if you wanted to look badass. Or, you know, vice versa, you could have the extended clip. These are empty clips, there's nothing in them. You put the extended clip in here. You could put a regular 17 clip in the front, you know, however you want it to look. And once that's in, you could also fold this back in, and it looks like that. It looks like a truck gun, doesn't it? It looks really nice. It looks badass. I purchased mine with nothing on the rails. No sights or nothing, because I already have sights and optics. So I'm going to put my sights and optics on so you can see what it looks like when I put my regular Magpul front and rear sights, and also the optic that I have here. I'm going to put those on really quick so you can see what it looks like. This is how it looks. Front and rear flip up Magpul sights. And it just looked badass. I mean,